Steve, is credit repair legal?
There is nothing illegal about credit repair. In fact, the Fair Credit Reporting Act spells out that consumers have legal rights, and it spells out the protocols that disputing items with the credit bureaus must follow. In addition, the Federal Fair Credit Billing Act, known as the FCBA, allows the right to request broad amounts of information regarding billing and payment history from a creditor. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act gives people rights and protections against the activities of collection agencies as well.
Thank you.